everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm back with another easy step-to-step tutorial on how you can easily get access to your Darwin car insurance account online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser. To begin, in the web address bar that pops up at the top of the screen, type in www.darwin-insurance.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of Darwin Insurance. Click on the My Account button located at the top right, and this will take you to a new tab. Here, you'll be able to see the login area for your Darwin Insurance. Go ahead and type in your username that is associated with your account in the first text box. In case you don't remember the username, you can click on Forgotten Your Username link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for it. Once you're done with it, head over to the next field, type in your password correct as well. You can double check your password by clicking on the eye icon at the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. In case you don't remember your password as well, you can click on this Forgotten Your Password link and follow the on-screen prompts in order to look for a new password. Finally, after you are done typing in your credentials, you are ready to log in. Click on the login button in yellow, and that is how you should be able to get access to your Darwin car insurance account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.